It's the 4th of July.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bri.
And I'll show you how to make the American Colada today for all of your 4th of July party, festival, whatever needs.
Let's get inebriated. And that's how you make the American Colada. Let's try it. It tastes like a bomb pop. It actually does. I really like this. It's very festive for 4th of July.
Yes. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit so I can get all the flavors together.
It does look cool with the colors.
Yeah,
like
definitely serve it that way, but tell them
mix
to kind of like mix it up a little bit.
There's a ton of flavors. It's awesome. So what is in this drink exactly?
So I started off pouring just some straight grenadine on the bottom. I used this store-bought grenadine, and then I put it in a pan or a pot, and then added some just chopped up peaches to it, kind of just infused peaches into the grenadine. And then I added some of our crushed ice. And whenever you're layering a drink, the way you want to do it to plan it out to make sure that it layers right is that you want the things with the most sugar on the bottom leading up to the things with the least amount of sugar. So of course, starting with the grenadine on bottom works out perfectly. So I did that on the bottom, added some crushed ice, and then we added our pina colada in there. So we just shook that up like a regular cocktail and then floated that in the middle with our spoon, and that's the white. Then added more ice and then added this blue soda to the top, and it gives it some bubbles. And also to that little grenadine layer down there, I did add a touch of campari. Just get it some extra bitterness in there so it's not just a huge sugar wall. Yeah. Get a little extra something else in there.
It's a bit bitter, and I kind of like that it's not super sugary, so that's really nice.
Yeah, and it's just the perfect amount of bitterness in there too to know it's still like sweet enough and all that so that everybody can drink it, but it's also got a touch of bitterness in there for people like me that want to not have a super sweet cocktail, but also want to like kind of challenge themselves just a touch. That's perfect for it.
It still goes down super easy, so be careful with this drink, especially if you're celebrating the holidays this year. But yeah, great cocktail, Lee.
Thank you.
So we will see you guys next week on i-Lee+Bri-ated.
Cheers.
Cheers.